By clicking on any browser, for example Chrome, Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge, when you will type www.thestudyfalcon.com, by clicking on the first link, you will land up to this page. This is the home page of the website. On this page, you can see all the features of the Study Falcon website. You can scroll it down and go through what we provide, our statistics, our courses, learn from our app, testimonials, and all other important things. By clicking on login, you can enter your credentials, that is your mobile number or your email ID and your password. As soon as you will log in, you will land up to the dashboard page by clicking on the dashboard button. By clicking on Complete Now button, you can answer the AI questions. AI questions have been designed in a manner to give you efficient task list and help you in better preparation of your examination. So, by clicking on Complete Now, you will see certain questions. First of all, you can correct your name if there is any spelling error by typing in the box your correct name. Or you can also skip this question. Then you will have to answer certain preliminary questions that will help our AI design system to understand you better. During the process, you will be asked certain information related to the exam that you are aware of. You will be asked certain strong and weak subject information, that is, what subjects do you yourself consider yourself in strong and weak. Thereafter, you will proceed to the questions by clicking on to proceed to questions button. These are some sample questions of all the subjects of your exam. By clicking on next question, you will answer certain questions of all the subjects of your selected exam. These are the preliminary questions for your preliminary assessment. If you want, you can also skip these questions by clicking on the skip button provided on the top right corner. Once you have attempted all the questions, you will see a preliminary report which will tell what subjects you actually selected are strong, in which subjects you are good, and in which subjects you need more practice. This is the preliminary report. This is an assessment of the preliminary questions that you have answered. By clicking on Proceed to Dashboard, you will land up to the dashboard page. Therein, You can see the tasks that have been made by assessing your preliminary result. By clicking on read, you can complete your first task, that is read the current affairs of the day. You can go through all the current affairs. Once you have completed a task, it will be shown as 100% and it will be cancelled. Then you can proceed to the next task in the similar manner. Once you will end session, you can see the progress that you have made. This is the progress list of your practice questions. You can see your score, how many correct, your overall analysis and your current analysis. By clicking on dashboard again, you can see the status of your task done. To know the status better, you can also refresh the page. Whenever you click on read to read a subject, a flipbook like book will open to give you a proper feeling of reading a book. You can see your progress of the subjects. One by one, you can complete all your tasks. On dashboard, you can see the subject progress by clicking on see all, and the progress that you have done in certain subject will be shown in both graphical and textual form. You can also read the latest current affairs and the latest exam updates. By clicking on detailed analysis report, you will see a detailed evaluation report of what you have done in which subject. This report reflects your overall preparation in any particular subject. You can see your data both in tabular and graphical form by clicking on the switch button between table and graph. By clicking on view monthly report, you can view the analysis of your entire month's performance. You will be shown topics that need high attention, what all you have done, how many tasks were given, how many tasks you have skipped, and your overall progress. You can also attempt other things by clicking on dashboard. By clicking on mock test, you will see full mock test. By clicking on start button, you can give the entire mock test. In this format, the mock test will appear. This has been designed to give you the exact feeling of your examination. In your examination also, the window will be the same. You can answer, review, not answer, or mark for review any of the question. By clicking on End Session, you can submit your mock test, and then you will reach to your mock test report, which will tell you, have you missed the cutoff, what is your status. You can review each question by clicking on Review Wrong, by examining mock test, taking it again, or review unattempted. By clicking on See Detailed Performance Analysis, you can review your detailed report of your mock test. Herein, you will know how much time has been taken in the each question that you have done. By clicking on Sectional, you can see the results related to each section of your exam. You can view all the questions that you have done on this section. By clicking on Expert Analysis, you will be taken to a page where our expert comments have been mentioned about your performance. By clicking on Exam Updates button, you can see all the latest exams that you can apply for. By clicking on View, you can see all the detailed information of that examination. By clicking on all the tabs mentioned below, you can reach to the applying for that examination. You can also view information about that examination by clicking on View Info. Through this, you will know the exact information of the examination. By clicking on eBooks button, you will land up to the ebooks page of the website, wherein you can read the ebooks as per your genre of choice. In the search box, you can search anything that you want to read. By clicking on Read, you can start reading any book. You can also add it to your bookshelf. You will also find the similar books that you have clicked to read. By clicking on Read button, you will reach to the ebook and you can start reading it. By clicking on Add to Bookshelf, your book will be added to the bookshelf. And from all bookshelf button, you can see what all books have been added to your bookshelf. By clicking on I button on the dashboard, you can also see the information of the exam. By clicking on Current Affairs, you can see newspaper analysis, detailed analysis. By clicking on Read, or you will see the DNA. By clicking on Magazine Analysis, you can see all the magazines that are provided. We provide Yojana, Kurukshetra, EPW and Falconpedia, which is designed by Study Falcon. You can shortlist the magazine as per the date, as per their month. And by clicking on Read, you can go through the entire magazine. By clicking on plus button, you can zoom in the content for better experience. Falconpedia is a magazine that has been designed by the Study Falcon to make your current affairs learning easier. Herein, we provide all the important current affairs of the month in a bullet form so that you don't miss on to any important current affair. Similarly, you can view PIB reports and you can choose the date of which you want to see the report by clicking on the calendar button. You can also bookmark any news that you want to read. By clicking on blog button, you will see a page wherein all the important articles are being given. Herein you can see on this day articles, viral articles, which are very helpful for your daily knowledge. By clicking on discussion panel, you can type any question that you have, or you can also submit a file by clicking on choose file button. You can submit your question. It will be answered soon. By clicking on podcast, you can listen to the daily podcast. By clicking on contact us button, you will reach to the contact us page of the website wherein you can type any query and the support team of the Study Falcon will reply to you as soon as possible. Here some frequently asked questions are also mentioned. You can also update your profile by clicking on the profile option on the top right of the website. You can change all your details and add your images. You will also see your exams that you have selected. This is your tailor-made dashboard. You can have a better user experience once you answer all the AI questions and learn according to the tasks that have been provided. At the Study Falcon, we help every children to prepare for their competitive examination in an efficient manner.